For millennia, the American continents remained untouched by humans. These vast lands, stretching from the icy reaches of the Arctic to the dense, humid expanses of the Amazon rainforest, were a sanctuary for countless species. The landscapes were shaped solely by natural forces, creating a diverse tapestry of ecosystems that thrived in isolation. Vast landscapes, from icy Arctic tundras to lush Amazonian rainforests, lay undisturbed. The Arctic tundra, with its frozen ground and sparse vegetation, stood in stark contrast to the Amazon, a vibrant, teeming jungle. Each region developed its own unique flora and fauna, adapted perfectly to their environments. The story of human presence in this pristine environment began thousands of years ago, marking a pivotal chapter in human history. Early humans, driven by the need for new resources and territories, embarked on a journey that would forever alter the continent's destiny. Their arrival signaled the beginning of profound changes in the landscape and ecosystems. The absence of humans for millions of years shaped the continent's ecology. Natural processes such as forest growth, river meandering, and animal migrations occurred without interruption. This allowed for the development of complex and balanced ecosystems, where every species played a crucial role in maintaining the harmony of nature. Unique species of plants and animals flourished in distinct ecosystems. From the towering redwoods of the Pacific coast to the diverse wildlife of the Great Plains, each region boasted its own natural wonders. These species evolved in isolation, creating a rich biodiversity that was unparalleled. This pristine state would change dramatically with the arrival of the first humans. As they settled and spread across the continent, their activities began to reshape the environment. Hunting, agriculture, and the use of fire transformed the landscapes, leading to the extinction of some species and the introduction of new ones. Their journey across the Bering Land Bridge marked the beginning of human presence in the Americas. This migration, driven by the search for new opportunities, was a monumental event in human history. It set the stage for the development of diverse cultures and civilizations that would leave an indelible mark on the continent. During the last ice age, a land bridge emerged between Siberia and Alaska, submerged today under the Bering Strait. This land bridge, known as Beringia, served as a passageway for ancient humans to enter the Americas. The land bridge was not a barren wasteland. It was a vast expanse of tundra and grasslands teeming with life. Large mammals like mammoths and bison roamed the land, providing sustenance for early human populations. This abundance of resources made Beringia a suitable habitat for these early migrants. Driven by the pursuit of food and resources, early humans embarked on a journey that would shape the course of history. They were not just wanderers, they were pioneers, venturing into the unknown with courage and determination. Their quest for sustenance led them to explore vast and uncharted territories, pushing the boundaries of human endurance and ingenuity. Small groups of hunters and gatherers ventured across Beringia, a land bridge that once connected Asia to North America. This migration was a monumental feat, requiring not only physical strength, but also an acute awareness of their surroundings. They braved harsh climates and treacherous landscapes, driven by the hope of finding new lands rich in resources. Their arrival in the Americas marked a momentous occasion, igniting the spark of human civilization on a new continent. This was not just a geographical shift, but a cultural and social transformation. The new environment offered both challenges and opportunities, compelling these early settlers to adapt and innovate in ways that would leave a lasting legacy. These intrepid explorers possessed a deep understanding of their environment. They observed the patterns of nature, learning to predict the movements of animals and the changing seasons. This knowledge was crucial for their survival, enabling them to make informed decisions about where to hunt, gather, and eventually settle. They were skilled hunters, adept at tracking and bringing down large game. Their tools and techniques were sophisticated, reflecting a deep understanding of both their prey and their own capabilities. Hunting was not just a means of survival, but also a communal activity that strengthened social bonds and shared knowledge. Their survival depended on their knowledge of the land, its resources, and the rhythms of nature. Foraging for plants, fruits, and nuts was as important as hunting, requiring a keen eye and an extensive understanding of the local flora. This balanced approach to resource gathering ensured a stable food supply and fostered a deep connection with their environment. Their resilience and adaptability laid the foundation for future generations to thrive. These early communities were the bedrock of human civilization, demonstrating that cooperation, innovation, and a profound respect for nature were key to overcoming the challenges of their world. Their legacy is a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. For decades, the origins and migration patterns of the first Americans remained a subject of intense debate among scientists. Archaeological evidence offered tantalizing clues, but the complete picture remained elusive. Traditional theories suggested a single migration wave through an ice-free corridor. However, conflicting archaeological findings hinted at multiple entry points and potentially earlier arrivals. The puzzle of their ancestry and the routes they took captivated researchers for years. Section 5. Decoding the Past: The Advent of Ancient DNA Analysis. The emergence of ancient DNA analysis revolutionized our understanding of human history. By extracting and analyzing DNA from ancient remains, scientists could trace ancestral lineages and unravel the mysteries of the past. This powerful tool provided a new lens through which to examine the peopling of the Americas. By comparing the genetic makeup of ancient individuals with modern populations, scientists could trace migration patterns and establish connections across vast geographical distances and timescales. Section 6. A single ancestral lineage unifying the Americas through genetics. Groundbreaking genetic studies revealed a remarkable discovery. All indigenous peoples from Alaska to Patagonia share a common ancestry. This finding confirmed that the first Americans descended from a single founding population that migrated from Siberia. This shared genetic heritage united diverse indigenous groups across the Americas. It provided compelling evidence of a single ancestral lineage that branched out and diversified over thousands of years, adapting to a wide range of environments and developing distinct cultures. Section 7. Surprising connections: Genetic links across the Pacific. Further genetic analysis unveiled unexpected connections between some South American indigenous groups and populations from Australia and Southeast Asia. This discovery challenged the long-held belief of a solely Beringian migration route. These findings raised intriguing possibilities of transoceanic crossings or earlier, more complex migration waves. While the Bering Land Bridge remained the primary route, these genetic links hinted at alternative pathways and potential contact between distant continents in prehistoric times. Section 8. Rewriting history. The impact of genetic discoveries on migration theories. The revelations from genetic studies forced a re-evaluation of traditional theories about human migration to the Americas. The Beringian model remained relevant, but the story was more intricate than initially believed. These discoveries highlighted the fluidity of human movement and the interconnectedness of seemingly disparate populations. They demonstrated that migration patterns were not always linear or straightforward. Instead, they involved multiple waves, potential back migrations, and interactions between different groups. Section 9. Our genes, our history, unlocking the secrets within. The study of ancient DNA has illuminated the deep history of the Americas, revealing a story of human resilience, adaptation, and interconnectedness. Through the meticulous work of scientists and researchers, we have begun to piece together the complex puzzle of our ancestry. Each fragment of DNA, each ancient artifact, and each archaeological discovery adds a new layer to our understanding of how early humans migrated, settled, and thrived in diverse environments. This research not only sheds light on the past, but also helps us understand the genetic diversity and commonalities that bind us together as a species. It has shown that our genes hold the key to unlocking the secrets of our past. By analyzing genetic markers, scientists can trace lineage and migration patterns, revealing connections between ancient populations that were previously unknown. This genetic evidence complements historical records and archaeological findings, providing a more comprehensive picture of human history. The technology used in these studies, such as advanced DNA sequencing machines, allows for unprecedented accuracy and detail, enabling researchers to uncover even the most subtle genetic variations that have shaped our evolution. Each genetic discovery brings us closer to a more complete understanding of our shared human journey. The collaboration between geneticists, archaeologists, and historians is crucial in this endeavor. By working together, these experts can cross-reference their findings, validate hypotheses, and build a cohesive narrative of human history. This interdisciplinary approach ensures that we consider multiple perspectives and methodologies, leading to more robust and reliable conclusions. As we map out the intricate web of human migration and interaction, we gain insights into the cultural, social, and environmental factors that influenced our ancestors' lives. As we continue to delve into the genetic tapestry of humanity, we can anticipate uncovering even more surprising connections and rewriting the story of our collective past. The advancements in genetic technology are opening new doors to discoveries that were once thought impossible. With each breakthrough, we refine our understanding of human evolution, migration, and adaptation. These findings not only enrich our knowledge of history, but also have practical implications for medicine, anthropology, and other fields. By studying the genetic makeup of ancient populations, we can identify patterns and traits that have persisted through generations, offering clues to our current health and behavior. The answers lie within us, encoded in our very essence. Our DNA is a living record of our species' journey, carrying the imprints of countless generations. By unlocking the secrets within our genes, we not only honor the legacy of our ancestors, but also pave the way for future discoveries. This ongoing exploration of our genetic heritage is a testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we continue to decode the mysteries of our DNA, we are reminded of the profound interconnectedness of all human beings and the shared history that unites us.